Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Talk to topic is limits. Today I am explain what is the limit, what is the standard forms of limits. Tomorrow I am explain a previous episode questions this topic. Okay. What is the limit? Limit x tends to a f of x is equal to what? This means x is approached to a some number line. This is called A. A is increasing. This is called RHS. This is known as RHL, right hand limit. For example, A is approached to left hand side. This is called LHL, left hand limit. For example, LHL limit x tends to a minus, this is negative side, f of x is for example L1. Limit x tends to a plus f of x is nothing but for example L2. These two are equal to some L. Therefore, limit x tends to a is equal to into f of x is equal to L. This is called limit. Nothing but limit x tends to a minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to a f of x. This is called limit. What is the standard forms of limits? What is the standard forms of limits? First one, most important formulas. Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is nothing but n into a power n minus 1. n into a power n minus 1. First formula. Generally, in limit, using L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. Then also this formula is there. Second one, limit x tends to a, limit x tends to a sin x by x. These two are equal, this value nothing but 1. Third one, limit x tends to a tan x by x, the same as the two are equal. What is the value? 1. Fourth one, limit x tends to a sin ax by x is nothing but a. Is nothing but a. Fifth one, limit x tends to 0, not a. X tends to 0. X tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, tan ax by x. This is nothing but a. This is also nothing but a. Sixth one. Limit x tends to a, e power x minus 1 by x. X tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x. This is also nothing but 1. Seventh one, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. It is nothing but a into log base ae. A into log base ae. Eighth one. Limit x tends to 0, cos mx minus cos nx by x square is nothing but n square minus m square by 2. Ninth one, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos mx by x. This is nothing but m square by 2. M square by 2. This is standard forms. Next one. Next one, for example, 1 power infinity form, 0 power infinity, 0 power infinity or 1 power infinity form. For example, limit x tends to 0, f of x power g of x. Most important formula, very important formula. This can be written as g of limit x tends to 0, g of x into f of x minus 1. This is nothing but g of x into f of x minus 1. For example, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x power 1 by x. 1 power infinity form. This is 1 power infinity. For example, x can be approached to 1 plus 0, 1. 1 power 1 by 0, 1 power infinity. How to write? Limit x tends to 0, g of x. What is the g of x? 1 by x into f of x minus 1. What is the f of x? 1 plus x minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. X's cancel. What is the answer? 1. This is the most important standard formula. Okay. Next, for example, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2x whole power 1 by 2x. What is the answer? Limit x tends to 0. What is the g of x? 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x. F of x minus 1. What is the f of x? 1 plus 2x minus 1. 1 gets cancelled, 2x gets cancelled, 1. Some simple example, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus f of x whole power 1 by f of x. These two are equal, then this becomes 1. This becomes 1. Most important and standard form. Next one. For example, x tends to infinity, then the form 1 by x square, 1 by x cube, so on. This can be approached to 0. How to write directly? First one, limit x tends to infinity, ax plus b by cx plus d. This answer is a by c. We can write directly. How to solve this one? X can be approached infinity. Limit 1 by x tends to 0. But numerator and denominator divided with x. A plus b by x by c plus d by x. 1 by x approached to 0. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. What is the answer? A by c. A by c. How to write directly? Coefficient of highest degree of numerator by coefficient of highest degree of denominator is called this one. For example, some more examples. Second one. For example, limit x tends to infinity, 5x square plus 3x plus 1 by 4x square plus 2x plus 5. What is the answer? What is the highest degree of numerator? X square. What is the coefficient? 5. By what is the coefficient of highest degree? Denominator. These two degrees are equal. Okay. X square. What is the coefficient? 4. What is the answer? 5 by 4. Okay. Both degrees are equal. Degree of numerator by degree of g of x. Okay. For example, third one. Limit x tends to infinity, 8x cube plus 3x square plus 1 by 2x square plus x plus 1. What is the answer? For example, highest degree of numerator x cube. Denominator x cube term is not there. X cube term is absent. we can write 0x cube plus 0. We can write 0x cube 0. What is the highest degree of numerator? X cube. What is the coefficient? 8. By same as denominator 0. 8 by 0 infinity. What is the answer? Infinity. Fourth one, limit x tends to infinity 2x square plus x plus 1 by 3x power 5 plus 1. What is the degree of numerator? 2. What is the degree of denominator? 5. Fifth degree is option numerator. How to write? 0 into x power 5 plus. Okay. What is the degree of highest degree of numerator? 0 by what is the degree of x power 5? 3. 0 by 3, 0. We can write directly answer. Okay. This is standard forms of limits. Tomorrow I am explain previous MCET questions in this topic. Okay. Today one assignment is there in description box. We can solve quickly. Okay. Leave the class.